Have you ever wondered how bakeries produce hundreds of loaves of bread, cakes, cookies, and pastries every single day? Imagine trying to mix 50 kilograms of dough by hand or bake hundreds of rolls in a small home oven. It would take an enormous amount of time and effort. This is why professional bakeries rely on specialized equipment designed to make baking faster, more efficient, and more consistent. In today's lesson, we will explore the principal pieces of large equipment used in baking and pastry making and learn how each piece of equipment helps bakers create high-quality products on a large scale. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the major types of bakery equipment and explain their specific uses in the baking process. Let's begin our tour of the professional bake shop. One of the most important pieces of equipment in any bakery is the mixer. Mixers save time, reduce labor, and ensure ingredients are blended thoroughly and consistently. Without mixers, large-scale baking would be nearly impossible. There are several types of mixers commonly used in baking and pastry production. The first type is the vertical mixer, also known as the planetary mixer. It is called a planetary mixer because the mixing attachment rotates around the bowl while simultaneously spinning on its own axis, much like a planet orbiting the sun. The vertical mixer is one of the most versatile machines in the bakery. It uses three main attachments: the paddle attachment for general mixing tasks such as cake batters, cookie doughs, and fillings, the wire whip for whipping cream, beating eggs, and creating light mixtures such as meringues, and the dough hook for kneading yeast doughs such as bread and pizza dough. Because of its versatility, the vertical mixer is commonly found in bakeries, pastry shops, restaurants, and culinary schools. Another important mixer is the spiral mixer, which is specially designed for mixing bread dough and other heavy doughs. Unlike the planetary mixer, both the bowl and the spiral-shaped hook rotate during mixing. This design develops gluten more efficiently and produces stronger dough with less heat buildup. Spiral mixers are preferred by artisan bread bakers and pizza makers because they create high-quality dough while handling large quantities. These machines are durable, powerful, and capable of processing hundreds of pounds of dough at one time. Another specialized dough mixer is the fork mixer. Instead of using a hook, it uses a fork-shaped mixing arm. Fork mixers work gently, preserving the dough structure and maintaining lower dough temperatures. They are commonly used in traditional bread production, where dough quality is especially important. For very large bakeries, horizontal mixers are often used. These industrial machines can mix thousands of pounds of dough in a single batch. Many horizontal mixers include water jackets surrounding the mixing chamber. These water jackets help bakers control dough temperature precisely, which is critical for producing consistent products. Large commercial bakeries also use continuous mixers. Instead of mixing one batch at a time, ingredients continuously enter one end of the machine while finished dough exits the other end. This system allows bakeries to produce dough continuously throughout the day, increasing efficiency and productivity. After dough has been mixed, it must be fermented, divided, shaped, and prepared for baking. Several specialized machines help bakers perform these tasks efficiently. A dough fermentation trough is used to hold yeast dough during fermentation. This allows the yeast to produce gas, helping the dough rise and develop flavor. Large bakeries use fermentation troughs to manage substantial quantities of dough at one time. A divider automatically cuts large portions of dough into smaller pieces of equal weight. This ensures consistency in product size and helps save valuable production time. A divider rounder performs two functions. First, it divides the dough, and then it automatically rounds each piece into a smooth ball. This machine significantly speeds up the preparation of rolls, buns, and other small bread products. Another essential piece of equipment is the dough sheeter. A dough sheeter rolls dough into thin, uniform sheets by passing it through adjustable rollers that gradually reduce its thickness. This machine is essential for making croissants, puff pastry, Danish dough, pie dough, and other laminated products. A molder shapes dough into specific forms such as loaves, baguettes, and rolls. By automating the shaping process, molders improve consistency and reduce manual labor. A proofer is a controlled environment that provides the ideal temperature and humidity for yeast fermentation. Proofers help dough rise evenly and consistently before baking. A retarder slows down fermentation by keeping dough at cool temperatures. This allows bakers to store dough overnight while maintaining product quality and providing greater flexibility in bakery production schedules. A retarder proofer combines both functions in one machine. The dough can be chilled for storage and later automatically transferred to proofing conditions, allowing bakeries to prepare products in advance and have them ready for baking at the desired time. No bakery can operate without ovens. Ovens are the heart of the baking process, transforming raw dough and batter into delicious finished products. Several types of ovens are used in professional baking. Deck ovens feature a flat baking surface called a deck. Products are placed directly on the deck or on baking pans. These ovens are ideal for artisan breads because they produce excellent crust development. Many deck ovens include steam injection systems that help create crisp, shiny bread crusts. Rack ovens are designed to hold entire rolling racks filled with sheet pans. Instead of loading trays one by one, bakers can wheel an entire rack into the oven. This design makes rack ovens highly efficient for large volume production. Mechanical ovens keep products moving while they bake. Many use a rotating Ferris wheel style mechanism. This constant movement helps eliminate hot spots and promotes even baking, making them suitable for high production bakeries. Wood-fired ovens use heat generated from burning wood. The thick brick walls absorb and store heat, creating ideal baking conditions. These ovens are famous for producing artisan breads and pizzas with unique flavor and texture. Convection ovens use fans to circulate hot air throughout the baking chamber. This allows products to bake faster and more evenly while using lower temperatures. Convection ovens are widely used for cookies, pastries, and many other baked goods. In addition to mixers and ovens, bakeries also use other important large equipment. One example is the steam-jacketed kettle. This equipment uses steam circulating between double walls to heat ingredients. It is commonly used for preparing custards, pastry creams, fillings, sauces, and syrups. Because the heat is gentle and evenly distributed, it reduces the risk of scorching delicate mixtures. Another essential piece of equipment is the fryer. Fryers are used for producing donuts and other fried pastries. Commercial bakery fryers provide consistent temperature control, helping create products with a golden color, crisp exterior, and tender interior. In conclusion, large equipment plays a critical role in modern baking and pastry production. Mixers prepare doughs and batters, dough handling equipment portions, shapes, and ferments dough, while ovens transform raw ingredients into finished baked goods. Specialized equipment such as steam-jacketed kettles and fryers further expand the variety of products a bakery can create. Understanding the purpose and operation of these machines is an important step toward becoming a skilled baker or pastry professional. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more baking and pastry production lessons. See you in the next video.